Zoop! Today we're looking at this sweet trackball from Kensington, the SlimBlade Pro. I'm guessing it's called SlimBlade because it's super flat. Well, relatively super flat compared to other trackballs out there. On the left hand side you got the connections button. There's the wireless where you use the wireless dongle adapter. It plugs into your USB port of your desktop and it'll work from there. Or you can change it to the wire mode. Or lastly, Bluetooth. So it will work with your tablet, phone, or even of course laptop and desktop, assuming that it has Bluetooth. For now, I'm using it straight wireless using the wireless dongle adapter. On the right hand side, there's the DPI connections. You change the DPI like that. On the top, there's only 4 buttons. There's the left click, right click, the back button, and the middle button. To scroll, you have to use both fingers and rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. I don't know if you can hear it, but when you rotate, you can hear a clicking sound. Rotating it 2 fingers takes some practice because it has to be perfectly flat, parallel to the desk. Otherwise, it will detect it as going up or down, left or right, if that makes any sense. So here we go. Let's scroll it like so. Perfectly parallel. So that requires 2 fingers. It's kind of annoying first, but I got used to it. And right now, it's not too bad. I know this looks like a ring, but the ring doesn't do anything. It would be nice if you can rotate using this ring, but no such thing. It's not touch sensitive, it doesn't do anything. Of course, all these buttons are fully reprogrammable to whatever you want using the software. But out of the box, it is what it is, meaning left, right, back, and middle. This ball is bigger than most other ball, and it is crazy smooth. Maybe it's not the ball itself, but maybe it's the rolling mechanism within. It is super smooth. Let's go back a little, okay? Put it aside. Here you have the Logitech Marble. This is easily one of the best ambidextrous trackball out there. I used it back in the days to play Doom, Unreal tournaments, and I was able to do headshot easily. But sadly, this trackball is very outdated. You can see that there's only 4 buttons, left, right, back, forward. And of course, it is not wireless at all. Yeah, that stinks. I wish Logitech updated it with wireless, but no such luck. They refuse to make a wireless version out of this. I don't know why. So, of course, the next best thing was getting this Adesso T40. This Adesso is my favorite. That's why I have like a bunch of them, because they tend to fail after about 13 months, which is of course when the warranty runs out. That sucks. This T40 is crazy awesome. It is just like the Logitech Marble, but of course it's wireless and all of these buttons are fully programmable. You got the left, back, forward, right click, scroll wheel. Very nice. And you can change the DPI on the fly using these buttons, up or down. I want to recommend this Adesso T40, but unfortunately, the quality, reliability has gone down the hill over the years. For instance, this is a brand new one, and the ball, you can barely scroll. It just doesn't scroll. There's a lot of resistance to it, and that's annoying. Whereas with the Kensington blade, it is so smooth. I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely hear it, right? Yeah, it is crazy smooth. Size-wise, these two are almost identical. I know that this looks bigger, but I guess they didn't want to trim off the edges to make it look kind of like a blade, right? Yeah, this is all kind of boxy almost. You can certainly use it for your right-hand side. All of the buttons are within reach, except the back button where you have to like go up a little bit to hit it, or the middle button, go up a little bit to hit it. Kind of annoying, but I got used to it. Whereas with this adesso, all of the buttons are within reach. Even the scroll wheel, like that. I use the thumb to scroll up and down. The reason why I chose the ambidextrous finger balls is that you can use this with your right hand or with your left hand. That way, if my left hand is tired or right hand is tired, I can always switch hands back and forth. Because I'm on a computer all day, I need to control the computer all day, so that's why I need something super comfortable. Compared to the adesso form factor, the Kensington blade is not that super comfortable, but in terms of reliability and control, yeah, the Kensington wins hands down, easily. I should note that I'm using it wireless for now, and the only way to recharge it is using the USB-C connector. I have no idea how long the battery will last, but we'll see. And I wonder if there'll be a warning, you know what I mean? Like right now, the buttons right here, the lights right here, there's no warning indication of whether the battery is low or not. I'll update you on how long the battery lasts, or if it's even possible to replace the battery down the line, for instance, maybe 4 years down the road. When you buy the blade, you get the USB-C connection, USB-C to USB-A, and USB-A converted to USB-C just in case you have nothing but USB-C. Lucky you. There we go. Now it's USB-C to USB-C. Alright, hopefully this video helps you decide whether this SlimBlade Pro from Kensington is worth your time. I like it, and I'm getting used to it because it is so much better than the adesso T40 so far. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.